Deep blackhead extraction for clogged pores. Satisfying cleanup, the satisfying path to deeply clean pores. Over the years, I've guided many people through the process of tackling deeply clogged pores and stubborn blackheads. There's a unique satisfaction in seeing those tiny extractions come out, leaving skin smoother and fresher. But true success comes from patience, proper technique, and respect for your skin's natural balance. This guide shares a realistic, step-by-step approach focused on safe deep extraction combined with caring routines for lasting results. Why clogged pores become blackheads? Clogged pores happen when sebum, dead skin cells, makeup residue, and environmental debris mix inside hair follicles. When the pore stays open, oxidation turns the plug dark, creating blackheads. Common areas include the nose, chin, forehead, and cheeks. Deep extraction targets these plugs directly but must follow preparation to avoid damage or scarring. Identifying your skin's unique needs. Every skin type reacts differently. Oily, combination, or even dry skin can develop clogged pores due to hormones, diet, stress, or product buildup. Pay attention to how your skin feels after cleansing or in humid weather. This human awareness helps tailor your extraction sessions and prevents overdoing it, which can lead to redness or rebound oiliness. Pre-extraction preparation for best results. Begin every deep extraction session with thorough yet gentle cleansing using a mild, non-stripping face wash. Follow with steaming. Lean over a bowl of hot water for 8 to 10 minutes with a towel over your head. Steam softens hardened plugs deep inside pores, making extraction smoother and less traumatic for the skin. Safe tools and extraction techniques. Sterilize a cum-done extractor tool with alcohol. After steaming, position the loop over the blackhead and apply gentle, even pressure from the sides. Watch satisfyingly as the plug emerges cleanly. For stubborn ones, use cotton-wrapped fingers. Never squeeze hard or use nails. This preserves skin integrity while delivering that clean, pore-by-pore satisfaction. Enhancing extractions with natural clay draws. Before or after basic extraction, apply a bentonite clay mask mixed with water or rosewater. Let it sit 12 to 15 minutes to pull deeper impurities. Rinse and follow with a thin layer of raw honey for its natural humectant and antibacterial qualities. This combination makes extractions more effective and skin feels nourished. Incorporating salicylic acid for deeper unclogging. Use a salicylic acid-based cleanser or serum, 1 to 2% strength, in your daily routine to dissolve oil and dead cells inside pores. On extraction days, this preps the area beautifully. Combine with light circular massage using a soft oat-based scrub for physical help without irritation, enhancing the overall satisfying cleanup. Turmeric and honey deep treatment mask. For an extra satisfying boost, blend turmeric powder, raw honey, and a touch of lemon juice into a paste. Apply after steaming and light extraction. Leave on for 10 minutes. The anti-inflammatory properties calm skin while helping loosen remaining debris for easier future cleanups. Patch test first. Green tea for soothing and oil control. Brew strong green tea, cool it completely, and use as a toner post-extraction. Its antioxidants reduce inflammation and control excess oil that leads to new clogs. You can also mix cooled tea leaves into a gentle scrub for additional mild exfoliation during weekly deep cleaning sessions. Immediate aftercare for healthy recovery. Right after extraction, apply pure aloe vera gel or a lightweight hyaluronic acid moisturizer to soothe and hydrate. Avoid harsh products for 24 hours. Always finish with broad-spectrum sunscreen. This caring step minimizes redness and helps pores look refined rather than enlarged. Building a weekly extraction routine. Create a consistent schedule. deep extraction session once every 1 to 2 weeks max, combined with daily salicylic acid use and weekly masks. Track changes in a journal or photos. This gradual approach yields visible pore refinement and that deep satisfaction of truly clean skin over time. Lifestyle habits that support clean pores. Support your skin from within by staying hydrated, eating antioxidant-rich foods, managing stress through walks or rest, and changing pillowcases regularly. These small human touches reduce internal triggers for clogs and make extraction results last longer. When professional extraction is the right choice, for very deep or numerous clogs, or if skin is sensitive, consult a licensed esthetician or dermatologist. Professional extractions use advanced tools and techniques in a sterile environment, often combined with gentle peels for superior, safe, and highly satisfying results. Embracing the process with kindness. Deep blackhead extraction is as much about self-care as it is about clear skin. Celebrate small improvements and listen to your skin's signals. With realistic expectations and gentle methods, you'll enjoy the satisfying cleanup while building healthier, more resilient pores for the long term. Word count, approximate 1010. That was so satisfying, right? If you're hooked on these deep blackhead extractions and clogged pore cleanups, like this video right now, subscribe and enable notifications for weekly extreme skincare content. Tell me in the comments, which blackhead removal shocked you the most. The next one is going to be even deeper and more intense. Don't miss it.